I will show you how to extend our disk drive volume. So how? First, just select this one, this PC, right click, manage, select this disk management, but try to make sure that all your important data should be backed up here. Before you merge this one here, you should back up your documents, whatever documents you have on this drive A. So since I already make a backup for this one, I will delete this one here, delete volume, just delete and yes. So now we have available. Delete partition. Now it's showing unallocated. So meaning if you go there, our drive A is already deleted and now unallocated. So we will select this one, right click and extend volume. Next, look, this is the one. This is the volume from A that we will merge to C. Just select next. I will show you again. Look, this one is 74. What will happen if I click this finish? Look, 199. So this is how to extend our drive C volume. Thank you.